Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. Popcaan scores his first Billboard Hot 100 entry with Drake's Amazing Shape.
Baby, you shape amazing. Looking like a goddess and a model, girl, you deserve the praising.
The track from Drake's recent released project, Maid of Honour, debuts at number 76 on this week's Billboard Hot 100 chart. According to World Music Views, Amazing Shape launched with 63,400 equivalent units in the United States and sold more than 10,000 units in Canada. Now, Safari Samuels remembers his mother in a heartfelt tribute. The reality star, who shared a photo on Instagram dancing with his mom, said that he is at a loss and still cannot believe that he's no longer able to speak with her or hug her. He added that no one and nothing could ever hurt him again. He ended the post by saying, "Mommy, I miss you every second, every minute, every hour of every day." Safari announced the death of his mother on social media back in March with a series of photos honoring her life. No official details about the cause or circumstances of her death have been publicly disclosed. I feel you, Saf. Now, on the international scene, Ray J has been hospitalized following an MMA fight.
I think he's doing this for like check.
I felt it.
The 45-year-old singer and reality star, whose real name is William Ray Norwood Jr., checked himself into a Las Vegas hospital on Saturday night, just 2 hours after being knocked out in the cage. He has already spent several days in the facility, while doctors run a battery of tests to determine exactly what is wrong. Now, Ray J has reportedly been suffering from heart problems linked to years of drug and alcohol abuse. The entertainer has been focusing on his health since a major health scare earlier this January. Drake reacts to breaking Michael Jackson's chart record. The Grammy-winning rapper celebrated surpassing Michael Jackson for the most #1 hits among male solo acts on Tuesday after Janice STFU debuted atop the Billboard Hot 100. In a post on social media, the Canadian rapper shared a photo of Michael Jackson with Iceman blue braids in front of a snowy landscape captured, "Neck broke from carrying the chain, back broke from carrying the game, records broken carrying my name. Carry on, carry on." Iceman standout Janice STFU earned Drake his 14th #1 on the Hot 100, allowing him to surpass MJ's record. The Beatles still hold the all-time record, including group acts with 20 #1 hits. It was a historic tracking week for Drizzy, following the release of his albums Iceman, Habibti, and Maid of Honour trifecta. Now, Drake posted 42 entries on this week's Billboard Hot 100, surpassing Morgan Wallen's record of 37 set last May. That's it for ePrime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.